Hail. Hail is a form of solid precipitation which consists of balls or irregular lumps of ice that are individually called hailstones. Hailstones on Earth consist mostly of water ice and measure between 5 millimeters or 0.20 inches and 150 millimeters or 5.9 inches in diameter, with the larger stones coming from severe thunderstorms. Okay, so ow, hail is a form of solid precipitation. Precipitation is water that comes from the clouds, water that falls from the sky. So it could be rain, snow, or in this case, hail. So you look at this, a sol is a form of solid precipitation. This ice is solid. So okay, it's a form of solid precipitation which consists of balls or irregular lumps of ice. So when you say which consists, it means which is or which are. So it's a form of solid precipitation which are balls or irregular lumps of ice. So here you have a ball of ice. There's another ball of ice. There's another ball of ice. But here is more like a lump. It's shaped kind of different. Here's another lump, shaped kind of different. So these are lumps of ice, these are balls of ice, and all of these are considered hail. So these are all hail. So hail is a form of solid precipitation which consists of balls or irregular lumps of ice. Irregular means it is not round. If we're talking about a ball, you could say irregular really just means a shape that is not like a circle, square, triangle, rectangle. It's not normal. So this shape, you see, it's all different around the edge, and that we would say is an irregular shape. Whereas here you see a penny. This small coin is a penny, and it is a regular circle. This is an irregular shape. So irregular lumps of ice that are individually called hailstones. Individually means when we refer to one. So for example, this one is a hailstone. That's a hailstone, that's a hailstone, and individually these are hailstones. This is a hailstone, this is a hailstone, this is a hailstone, this is a hailstone, but all of these are hailstones. So individually they're called hailstones, but together it's just called hail. You say, oh, there's a lot of hail on the ground. That's if we say all together. But if it's individually, we just say, oh, there's a hailstone, there's another hailstone, there's another hailstone, right? So hailstones on Earth consist mostly of water, ice, and measure. So hailstones on Earth consist, that means they're made of. So it's made of mostly water, ice. So basically just ice that's made from water, as versus ice that's made from a different chemical. So this is water that has been turned into ice. So the hailstones are consisting mostly of water, ice. So consist just means they are made from water, ice. And they measure between 5 millimeters or 0.2 inches and 150 millimeters or 5.9 inches in diameter. So diameter is from here to here. This is the diameter, whereas the radius is from here to here. That's the radius. So here's the diameter all the way across. So they measure, and you can see a ruler here. We can use the ruler to measure these hailstones, and they measure between, so the smallest is 5 millimeters or 0.2 inches, and the largest are 150 millimeters or 5.9 inches in diameter, with the larger stones coming from severe thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorms are really bad weather where you have lots of clouds, thunder, lightning, rain. Those are all severe thunderstorms. Severe just means very bad, right? You could have a severe injury. You could be severely hurt if you are in a car crash and you have to go to the hospital. That would be a severe accident. a severe thunderstorm is something that is weather that's very bad. So you can see here, oops, you can see here we have some possible bad weather in a thunderstorm. Here's another possible bad weather coming from the thunderstorm.